Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to another food video today. I'm coming to you from Canada, and the chef is my brother, and he'll be showing you how he does these fried bakes. They were amazing. Look at that. So here are the ingredients for the fried bakes. At this point, it's time to mix these ingredients together. Then afterwards, you'll see he's using his hands right now because he needs to make sure that the butter is all mixed out with the flour before he adds the liquid. Okay, and there we go. It's time to add the milk, and we're using almond milk for this one. So at this point, you continue to mix until it turns into a nice dough. There you go. And after that, you just make sure that you cover the container with a cling wrap. You can put it in your refrigerator for half an hour, or you could just leave it on your counter for half an hour. And then after half an hour, it would be time to move to step 2. But in the meantime, let's shift gears over to some Ackee and Saltfish. So he's just getting the ground seasoning ready for all of this. So we have bell peppers, onions, thyme. We definitely use the Scotch bonnet pepper. Pouring in the oil for the pot right now. We also have some fried plantain going on over here. Then it's time to add this to the pot. That looks so good. This needs to be sauteed on medium heat or even low heat. So you do not want to add too much heat because it burns easily. So saute this on medium heat. Now it's time to add in what we Jamaicans call saltfish. Yes, others call it codfish, and we made sure we cut them in cubes. It's more appealing that way. And of course, this is my favorite part where you add the actual Jamaican Ackee. So add it in and then mix it around. You do not want to mix it too much because then everything will just crush and get so messy. So you gently mixed it. You could actually lift your pot and shake it so you don't have to do a lot of mixing. The next thing is to season it up with some Maggi seasoning. You could use the fish seasoning, the all-purpose, the vegetable, and that will give it some additional nice flavor. Of course, you also need to add some black pepper. Okay, so now it's time to move to step 2 of the bakes process. First thing you want to do is to sprinkle some flour on your surface just to make sure when rolling the dough, it will be way much easier and it's not sticking to the roller. So after it's properly rolled and flat enough, you'll use your cutter to cut circles because this is what is gonna be fried. Guys, this is looking very good. Look at that. Look at that. I'm adding in my Ackee and Saltfish. Then I'll just do a piece of plantain and the avocado. It's almost like it's the perfect sandwich. It's the perfect breakfast sandwich. That's very appealing.